to ravepubs.com/infocom for all your Infocom news.
Hey everyone, this is Gary Kay. We're at day 2 of Infocom 2026. I'm here with Alex Mooney of Logitech. First off, Alex, how's the show going for you?
Oh, the show has been incredible. You know, there's so many people here this year. I'm really excited that we have such a great turnout for the show. Mm-hmm. The AV industry is incredible. I think there's so much AI colliding with collaboration tech. Mm-hmm. Really, really cool to watch this year.
Well, we're going to get a chance to see that as we do this booth tour. We're going to actually do a tour of the Logitech booth so you get an idea of what it's like to be here if you were here live. And what we're going to do is take you through each one of the stations that they've set up here in the booth to give you an idea of what they're showing and sort of how they're explaining it and what the new technology is like. But we're going to also shoot individual product videos at each one of those stations so you can get a deeper dive on the product. All of that is at ravepubs.com/infocom. Just type in Logitech in the video search window. So this is when you walk into the booth, this is the first thing you see.
Absolutely.
And you've got kind of like a cylinder, I guess.
That's right. Yeah, we've got kind of everything in the round here. We're going to show some incredible new products. We've got some tried and true products with new features. Maybe we just start here with rallyboard 65.
All right, let's do it.
So rallyboard 65, of course, has been at the show for a couple of cycles now. But the exciting thing here that you're seeing is now rallyboard 65 is working with Google Meet on Android built into the device. And so you can walk right up and start whiteboarding with your Google Meet meeting room system running right there on rallyboard. And of course, they've got some great partners, Figma, Lucid Spark, Miro. But this is a really cool solution. Yeah. So now you can use this in those Google Meet spaces.
Yeah, so now you got Teams, Zoom, and Meet.
Teams,
you got everything
Zoom,
covered.
Google Meet, BYOD.
And don't forget this flips, right? So the camera can be at the bottom or the camera can be at the top.
Absolutely.
Yeah. All
so
right.
keeping with the rallyboard 65 theme, one of the things I want to show you is this video that we're showing with our Zoom platform. So right here, of course, we're showing Rally Bar Mini, Rally Bar Huddle. But the thing you're seeing on screen is something really exciting. Logitech has been working with Zoom to deliver the smart name tags for Zoom rooms.
Okay.
Now available on rallyboard 65. So we're continuously delivering these updates to those devices.
Very cool. And let's review these really quickly, the different bars.
So our kind of Rally Bar lineup, Rally Bar being the biggest device here, which is really awesome, big PTZ camera, beautiful lens. Rally Bar Mini is kind of its slightly smaller sister device. Really wide angle camera, great for those kind of maybe a little bit wider room where you don't have to shoot quite as far. And then of course Rally Bar Huddle being that smaller size, really easy to deploy. All of these certified for both the Windows platform and the Android platform for each of these partners.
Yep, okay, great. All right, where are we heading next?
Yeah. So the next thing that we kind of showcase is going to be at our desktops. This is our advanced user with all of our different devices here. Of course, with the latest MX Master 4 mouse. This is a cool mouse because we took the awesome MX Master line and then we added haptics to this device, which now is connected across the Windows OS and the apps. So you're actually kind of able to get that immersive feel. We've got our Creative Console here, which is a really cool product that enables you to have shortcut keys to get into your things. MX Brio, of course, our highest quality webcam, and Zone Wireless 2 headset, a really fantastic headset with 3 different AI modes. We're actually canceling with ANC, canceling your surrounding audio, reducing the noise on the microphone, so the far end doesn't have to listen to your noisy environment. We have a third mode called Advanced Call Clarity. And with this headset, it's going to clean up the far end before you have to listen to their noisy microphone.
Oh, very interesting.
So 3 different
Does it recognize if they're using the same headset so it doesn't have to do the third? I mean, because it wouldn't need it,
just cleans it up no matter what you're listening to. Yeah. It's a really cool feature. So 3 models running on the headset.
Excellent. All right.
Yeah.
And I love the MX keyboard. I've got it. I actually use that and the mouse on my desktop.
It's a really, really cool device. Of course, here we also have some new devices. This is our Signature Comfort Plus combo, MK880. So this is a new device. Brings that price point into a really nice position and enables this kind of, you see the kind of curve here, enables like a much more ergonomic setup there. We love this as a new product offering into this kind of core positioning here, of course, with Zone Wireless 2 ES and our Brio 505 webcam. So we're trying to give options. These things are very personal devices. We want to make sure that every user is empowered with things that are going to work for them, which is part of the reason why this year we're showing a ton of form factors of headsets. We've been doing headsets for a long time, and one of the things I'll show you is that this top row is actually a lot of gaming headsets.
Yeah, I was going to say, yeah.
So we've got gaming headsets. These two rows are more business headsets, and these two consumer
Logitech
headsets.
pretty much dominates the gaming headset market as it is.
It's a massive number of devices with all different wear styles. So you've got some on the ear, around the ear. You've got some that are a much more lighter weight.
Yeah.
I really love the different colorways as well. I use white for most of mine. But you can really express your personality and choose
I like
what
this.
works.
This is actually creatively done. Yeah.
Yeah, so moving on around, we are also excited this year to kind of showcase some of our public sector solutions. So here you're seeing a smattering of our education offering with our Logitech Reach camera. This would be great for like a USB connected, think document camera, presenter camera. You want to show something on the desk or on in a physical environment. And of course we're running this, you see here with a video conferencing setup. But right to the right of that, you're seeing our Mevo cameras. So the top one's our Mevo Core, and below that, the Mevo Start. And you're actually able to do a full production suite on an app with these devices and connect in these USB connected devices like Reach as well. So you can do an entire production suite, but really from a single device, from an iPad. So videos, content, USB cameras, wireless cameras, all working together, little studio, which is
basically
really cool
you could use this
offering.
to create an entire podcast studio.
Exactly.
And using AI, the switching could be automated, right?
You're so right.
Yeah.
So moving to the left of that, you're seeing, of course, our Logitech Scribe, which is our dedicated whiteboarding camera designed to bring in this content into the virtual space. And as we get here, this is kind of government solutions, but I want to say the standout point here for us this year at the show is Meetup 2 and its active USB cable is now TAA compliant.
That's a big
So
deal.
for your government customers that do require that, this is a great option for them, and that is now available for them. And then lastly, getting to kind of healthcare solutions, we've got a ton of things. One of the things I wanted to show, we saw Rally Bar Huddle around in the collaboration area. Here you're seeing it with a cleanable cover so that you can meet your cleanability standards and so forth. That's a bleach wipeable cover.
For like a hospital application.
Exactly,
Yeah. Okay.
In healthcare environments that have those standards, you're able to have that bleach wipeable cover. And of course, we're working with partners like Heckler to do custom colors and custom covers there as well. So you're able to use that.
Yeah, that's always been a neat feature.
Yeah, we'll kind of go into the core before it gets super busy.
The show, by the way, literally, the show floor opened like 4 minutes ago, so we're just getting the crowds.
So one of the really, really cool things, and I think the star of the show this year is going to be 2 new cameras from Logitech. So we have our Logitech AI camera and Rally AI Camera Pro.
Okay.
So these 2 devices are kind of 2 amazing front of room, side of room, inside the wall devices that you can build a multi-camera system. So what we're looking at is a Microsoft Teams room on Windows, which is powering this video conferencing experience. But whereas Logitech's site kind of sits in the middle of the table, we talked about that in years past, and it provides AI framing looking inside out.
Yeah.
That Rally AI cameras are going to give you that same experience outside in.
Outside in, yeah.
So you can integrate them on a wall mount, which by the way, it's low profile, it's ADA compliant.
Yeah.
Or you can even set that into the wall. So because of the depth of the device, it sits inside of a wall comfortably with some mounting solutions we have there.
Yeah, that's going to be very popular there.
You're seeing 4 cameras connected to a single Teams room, which is awesome. And if users want to see, your audience wants to see what that looks like in a Teams call on the far end, you're actually able to see that going here. You can see we've got 4 of those cameras all running inside the call simultaneously. For that Teams room.
It's a great demo.
Yeah. And of course, pair that up with your Logitech Spot, our incredible environmental sensor that also does auto check-in and release with presence detection for your rooms. So if you do have rooms that you want to be more intelligent, sometimes they're booked and you get there and it's a phantom meeting, and you want to release that asset so other people can use it. Logitech Spot pairs up to that booking system.
Now you built Spot into the rAVe board. Have you built it into other products as well?
So the environmental sensing components, some of those components are available in rAVe board. We haven't put those into other devices. It's in the Spot form factor, but Spot uniquely has the presence detection as well.
Yeah, okay. All right.
Awesome. So again, continuing with the theme of our rAVe AI cameras and AI Camera Pro, we saw the smaller ones there, here with the full PTZ, and again, you can inset that right into the wall. And this is a really cool device because you've got this wide-angle AI-powered camera, and then you also have PTZ, so we're able to intelligently direct that PTZ where to look. So you don't have to do a bunch of preset recalls. The AI can drive that experience for you. Here you're seeing this, of course, with a Zoom room. And one last piece, you'll notice as we're walking through all the stations, there's a couple of signs here that say thank you to our partner. QSys in this case, we're doing a second page room control right on this device. So within the context of your Zoom room, you can actually launch the QSys control, and you're able to control everything from environmental, lights, shades, everything else in that space. And we've done this with a number of partners. This one in this case is with QSys.
So this is new. I hadn't heard about this.
Yeah, we've integrated here with QSys, over there with Extron. We have a massive collection of partners. So we're always listening to our customers, and when they say, we want this solution, we listen, and then we work with them to deliver it. So one last thing, Gary, I want to show you is two components. First, rAVe Board 65 here, shown with our new mic pods for rAVe Board, which we're calling mic pod 2. But what you're seeing is rAVe Board 65 running on Teams rooms on Windows. So this is a new capability for this device. And what that enables is for you to launch like an Edge browser to open your service line applications for your
users. Is this Windows
users.
Embedded, or is it a full-fledged Windows?
External Windows PC, just like our whole lineup. They all have Android built in. You can simply add the PC to gain all the Windows capabilities.
Is this available now?
So we're showcasing it today with Teams rooms on Windows running with the certified PCs. All
right, so we're going to go around and shoot individual product videos here on each one of these things that we just talked about. So if you want to get a deeper dive on any of these products, all you have to do is go to ravepubs.com/infocom and type in Logitech in the video search window. Of course, you can always go to logitech.com and see all the products that they have. Alex, I really appreciate you doing this. Congratulations on the show and everything. And we got a lot more coverage here at the show, including here at Logitech and elsewhere. So all of our coverage is at ravepubs.com.